Yo, check this out. You got the new black Miata from the Power Grabs. You got the McLaren 720S. Got the Corvette C8. Got the MR2. And then you got the Holden, the VE Ute SSV. Check that out, guys. So this is the new Matchbox series. Look at these cars in here. You got the Cadillac. You even have the 2017 Honda, which I'm gonna leave this Miata. You got the Bronco. Look at the Honda Civic hatchback. That is super cool. I didn't even realize that until I walked by and saw the McLaren. Let's see, there's the Cadillac Series 62. That is super nice. Look at that, there we go. Not gonna get it, but in case you guys wanted to check it out, I gotta take these guys. These are nice. Taking 2 McLarens, 1 Corvette. I'll leave the other Corvette that is down there. Check that out. Nice little early morning score, guys. Sweet. All right. Let's see, what do they got today? A little treasure hunt. Nice. Looks like there's some new things here. Go ahead and put these all, that's all messed up. Start clearing out some room. Let's see, don't need. Definitely don't need anything from there. Little manga. Let's go back up. Don't need Borla. Let's go ahead and move that there. Then down there. Looks like there's a couple new castings, guys. That's why I'm going through this. Because you just never know. I do like that hauler, but I have that already. Love that Miata. Let's move this on over. Nothing. Let's go ahead and start bringing this down. Let me go ahead and set that right there because that hook is completely messed up. Oh, nice. Haven't seen that one in a little while. Got the GT40, old Sesto. Okay. Let's see, the Erikenstein. Another, nothing here. Gotta love the Subi. Got the RX-7. Anything? Nope. That K&N Vet. So we'll go ahead and look at the other one. Let's see, is there any new ones up here? It doesn't look like it. A lot of this stuff is still old, so nothing on the end cap. Doesn't look like there's anything new in here either. Got the Porsche, I have that. Here's those new Power Grabs I just picked up. Definitely don't need these. They got a whole bunch of the new Power Grabs. Oh, there we go. The orange Camaro, and these, which I do have already. You grab this before I forget it. Let's see, any new M2s? A lot of people tend to hide things. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is sweet. Got the Chevy Nomad. Seen that one before. Let's see, someone turned this around. Why? Okay, nothing of value to me in there. So only a couple new ones. That Nomad is nice though. Jeez, that is a beautiful truck. Look at that. 56 F100. It's a nice casting, but we're gonna go ahead and leave that. Someone else would appreciate that a little bit more than I do. You got the Starliner, that's super clean. Ford GT, Cuda, these are only $3.99, which is amazing. And that looks like that is about it. I do have this already. I think I'm just gonna leave this for somebody else. We're gonna put that right there. I don't need it. We'll make one more walk around just to make sure. Look at that. Hidden little Bronco. I actually might pick this up because I only have one of these. And I want to do a custom on it. So I'm taking this. Alright guys, I'm back at my Fry's, waiting for my buddy Raul to come out because he's gonna be giving me a super that I've been waiting to find, but he found it, so we'll go ahead and wait for him to come outside. Just casually lurking. And there he is. It's the man. What up? I hit this place up earlier.
Did you?
All they had was those new MBXs.
Did you ask?
No, I didn't ask.
Oh, you gotta ask, baby.
Yeah, I never asked. Oh, man.
Bam, bam, bam.
Look at that.
You're my lucky charm, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, I see you, and then I find 5 right after.
All right, so you gotta let them know. You ain't just giving me this, right?
What do you mean? You paid for it.
I know. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, all right, so we worked out that trade, or
Right.
I purchased them.
Out. Right.
So I threw my man some extra cash. I was like, look, if whatever you find,
true.
Happy birthday.
True.
Hopefully you find some supers. And my man found, what was it, like?
I won, but 5.
5 of the K&Ns. God,
So,
look at that.
Craziness, man.
That's sick, dude.
That's awesome.
All right, guys, check this out. We got the K&N Super. Oh, that is sick. Like we were saying, guys, I gave him some extra cash because I bought a few of those J-Case cars from him at store value. I bought 7 cars and I gave him 10 bucks. I was like, look, with the leftover cash, hopefully you can find yourself some supers. It was his birthday, so I was like, if you find a super, happy birthday. He found 5 of them. He was like, hey man, you already paid for this. So awesome, man. That is so sick. After I met up with Raul, he got a shipper from the back, and my man stashed me the treasure hunt, so we're gonna go and grab that. All right, so we got some, oh my God. That is insane amount of Barbies. Look at that. Jesus. He stashed it back here. Oh, this dude. Look at this guy, man. I was only expecting him to leave the regular treasure hunt, and my man left the chase car. God, Raul, you the man, homie. Look at that. That's a good lookout right there. All right, we're gonna see what else he restocked, because maybe there's something I still need. There we go. Nice. There is a whole bunch of the Barbie campers. It's the most I've ever seen in one spot. You got Dream Camper, Dream Camper, Dream Camper. Oh my God. Got the RX-3 mainline. What is that? The ZL1, the GT500s. Yep. Alright, so yeah, it doesn't look like there was anything that he put on that I needed. Yeah, that's about it. God, it looks like he put a whole bunch of these on there. So if you guys remember, just a while ago, I was here maybe like 30 minutes or so ago. Yeah, I don't think there was anything that he put up here or the employee that I need. So, awesome, dude. Raul, the man. Appreciate you hooking me up with that chase. Check this out. So, just a quick recap. I ended up picking up another La Troca because I really do want to customize this. I gave 2 of my extras away, so I wanted to replenish that. Picked up another Celica to have it carded. I do have it loose right there. That one's gonna end up being a custom, and this one's gonna go back into the collection. And then right here, I picked up the Ragin' Express because I hooked this up to the customizer. And I actually wanted to do a Wastelands version of this, so that's why I picked up a second one. And right here, guys, the chase car for G-Case. There you go. You got the Arachnarod. Now, I'm not a huge fan of the casting, but a chase is a chase. So we are going to go ahead and put this right here with all the other chase cars. So that is a huge thanks to my buddy Raul for the hookup. And then of course, guys, I went and got the recolor of the Surfs Up. So I do have the two prior variations, one being from the Tokyo 2020, and then the recolor from, I forgot which case it was, but it was prior. I think the Surfer was in silver, somewhere in my collection, but I have that one right there. Earlier I mentioned I needed this for a custom, but I did get a package right here. And this is actually going to the guy who sent me this one. He was really looking for the blue 2021 Ford Bronco, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside, as well as the Porsche from the Factory 500 set, which I should have right here. So I'll go ahead and take this one off of my peg, since I do have the complete series over here. And then right here, guys, you got the Super of the C7Z06. God, I am so excited to have this in my collection. Not only is it the Super, but it is an international Super. Check that out. You got the M7C5. It came out of an international shipper, so hopefully I can find the other Super from the normal card. That way I can have two variations of the Super. So this is going to go up somewhere up in this section. And then right here, guys, I finally got my hands on the regular treasure hunt out of G-Case right here, the Diora 2. I've been trying to get my hands on this and cannot find it. I love the Hot Wheels tampos on the surfboard. The Hot Wheels flame deco looks really good. Got the PR5s in chrome. And then of course you see right there the silver flame on the card. And then, as you saw in the beginning, guys, picked up the new 2021 Power Grabs. This Miata is super clean. I love the McLaren 720 Spider. God, look at that. I got the Corvette C8. Actually grabbed two of them, that way I can open up one and keep one in the Power Grab. And I grabbed two of the McLaren 720Ss. And you have the 2008 Holden VE Ute SSV. You got the 84 Toyota MR2. Check that out. Such a cool classic car right there. And then of course I picked up another car for a custom. Really good day today, guys. If it wasn't for Raul, I would have never got my hands on the Chase, as well as the regular treasure hunt, or even the Super. I mean, come on, he found 5 of these. I believe it was in the same store. 5 of them. That is crazy. And if it wasn't at the same store, still 5 Supers in one day. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and open up what Joshua sent me.